Welcome to Big Daddy's Story Time. We're reading Sesame Street's Big Bird's Red Book. This book is going to be about things that are red. Like, well, um, you know, red things. To start off, I'm going to show you what the color red looks like. I've got something red right here in this bag. Something red. Something red. That's funny. I know I put something red in here this morning. Red is a very, very beautiful color. I think you're going to like it. Can you see the red things in the background behind Big Bird? Excellent job! You saw the red apples and the red car. Just hold on a moment. I know there's something red in here somewhere. Can you see something red right behind Big Bird? Excellent job! You saw the red car, the red apples, and now the red tow truck. Excellent job. I seem to have some birdseed in here. Birdseed isn't red. Can you see the red things behind Big Bird? Excellent job. You see some red apples and you see a red marching band. Excellent job. Hey, none of this stuff is red. Can you see what's red behind Big Bird? Excellent job. You see the red marching band, the red float, the red colors on the United States flag, and let's see, is there any other red thing here? Absolutely. The man who's on the stilts has red and white pants. Excellent job. I wonder what happened. I was sure I put something red in this bag. Can you see what's red behind Big Bird? Excellent job. You saw the red United States flag, the red marching band, the red car that's pulling the float, the red Santa Claus, and the another red float. And then the king or queen with their red coat. Excellent job. I guess this is the wrong bag. Golly, I must have put all the red things in some other bag. Can you see the red things behind Big Bird? How about the red float, the red king or queen, the red fire, the red fire truck? Let's see here. Oh, and all of the red flowers that are on the ground. Excellent job. Didn't I have another bag with me a few minutes ago? No, wait a minute. Maybe that was yesterday. Can you see the red things behind Big Bird? Okay, the red cars, the red fire trucks, the red fire, the red baseball hats on the baseball people, and the red cardinals. Excellent job. Say, I'm really sorry. I'm afraid this book hasn't been as interesting as I had hoped. Can you see the red things behind Big Bird? Okay, the red apples, the red marching band, the red Santa Claus, the red king or queen, the two red fire trucks, the red stoplight, and the red rose florist truck, the red cardinals, and the other red car. Excellent job. Squash. That's funny. That bag was full of tomatoes. I wonder why anyone would leave a bag full of tomatoes on this bench. Can you see the red things in this picture? Obviously, the red squash tomatoes, and let's see, and all the things that the red squash tomatoes have splashed on would be considered red. And that's all I can see. Great job. Excellent job. And we can take from this, my friend, is that our wonderful environment is so interesting. Make sure to notice everything and you'll be surprised at what you can see and discover. I thank you so much for listening. I hope you had as much joy listening as I had reading it to you. Thanks again for listening.